Okay guys, so today I want to invite you to my home garden. Let's go! Okay guys, this is my garden. It's many plants here because my mom is like to gardening, so I have many plants here. Okay guys, and this is a slogan tree and this tree has been going for 3 until 5 years. I like to gardening with my family. So I have 2 home gardens. First in here at the backyard, and the second is in front of the house. And now we are going to the second garden home. Let's go. Okay guys, this is my second home's garden. Many plants here too. I'm sorry, this is too noisy because my home, this place is near to the road. Look at my head. Okay guys, and this is my plants. It's our crotons, or in Indonesian is puring. Yes. Okay guys, now I want to watering my plants at my garden. Let's go. Okay guys, it's time to watering my plants. Let's go. Okay guys, wow, it's so fun, but however my plants watering is broke guys. But it's okay, let's go. Okay guys, finally we are done to gardening. So thank you very much for watching. I love you so much, and don't forget to click like this video and don't forget to subscribe this channel. Goodbye and see you next time. Bye.